Everyone, I'm Dulana, so I'm the reporter for today. So we have the types of art activities based on content and function. So first one is art and culture based things. So some art activities are inspired by the works of other artists by using the same technique, medium, or subject. It can be done exactly as how the artist does it, or it can be modified in different processes and so kanina type of arts, the kanina type of art activities, inspired siya sa mga famous artists or was. So kita na student, pwede na ito siya kopyahon ang ilahang works. Pwede na ito kopyahon ang ilahang style, kung saan nila hindi mo ang ilahang art ng i-drawing man nila, i-paint man nila. So now we, example nila so tingnan lang ang picture. So anyone inside the notice ninyo sa picture?
Juan, ano nakita kay Juan? Nahuhog.
Yes, Christian.
Reason na picture. Art presentation siya, but ang gamit niya is shape.
Okay, so kanina picture is based siya sa, or inspired siya sa famous painter na si Picasso. Ilan ang Picasso?
Yes.
Wala siya, Spanish na siya na painter. Kanina work is inspired siya sa yahang artwork. The next one is integration in subject and content areas. So art is universal. So art is universal. Ibig sabihin everywhere siya. So isang size pwede maka-evoke art through para i-express ang ilang thoughts and emotions. So some art activities are related to other disciplines such as science, philosophy, engineering, art, and mathematics. So kanina mga kuwan sa art studies, pwede na ito siya integrate sa one subject. So, like for example, sa science, technology, or math. So for example, sa science, kung saan na ito integrate ang arts. So kanina, inside na lang sa picture.
Why, ma'am?
Rules. Yes, kanina art is made of clay siya. So as you can see, natin required gamit siya, i-integrate ang arts ng science. So sa science, diba natin basic concept sa globe drawing mo, diba? So kanina is gamitan siya clay model. So mga na-integrate na ito arts and science. Another one is multi-potential. The next one is holiday event themes. Anyone? Can you read? Yes, go ahead.
Holiday event themes. During holidays, on special occasions, students are able to connect with the work or relevant experiences through art activities. These are popular means for class. Events such as making DIY, for instance, inspired souvenirs and gifts in a fun and enjoyable way.
So kanina art activities is connected din siya sa kanilang special holidays or celebrations. Like for example, sa Christmas. So gusto mo ba din sa inyo kanang ito magiging lantern, mga bard sa Christmas?
Yeah.
Yes. So ano siya? So students can show their feelings and experiences by making artworks related sa holidays or school events. So pwede sila mag-create mga decorations, greeting cards, souvenirs, and gifts in a fun and enjoyable way. So during Christmas, ang student, di ba, nagahimot na sa kuwan, kasi sa school, because sa kinapadala ng lantern, kuwan para sa una. Oo. Kadalanan ka ng mga parang kita during Christmas. Okay, so for school events po, is pwede ko na siya, ito makahihong mga banners, mga props, or costumes. So again, Pinubok na yung so, again, katungkuan. Again, ganun siya, is art and culture based day. Ano siya to? Naka-base siya sa
Culture.
mga famous artists. So, ikaw as student, hindi mo gayaman ng iyang pausap ng iyang dihin mo ang iyang arts. Iyang style, ang iyang made of paint ba siya, made of paint ba siya, drawing, kung ganito siya, gayahon. And then, kanya i-read, so muna ito, i-read ng mga buwan, ang arts ng, halimbawa, science, technology. So, kasi makakatang example tayo sa buwan, sa math. Kung saan ito i-read ang arts ng math. Yes, Lady Jane.
Sa shades, when I read mo ang kanang art, kaya grow ka ang mga shades.
Yes, sakto. Pwede ito mga drawing, pwede ito mag-cutting kung ganun ito mga colored papers. Then, format mo siya kuhan.
Collage.
Oo. Then, mga sheets. Pero na ito. Yes, go art.
Everyone, this is the continuation of our report of Wayne. Art as a play. So when you can hear the word play, it is more on engaging and more fun. So our teachers should not forget that even upper elementary students are children too. So the students should be
Thank you.